Are you running Facebook ads? And better yet, are you running Facebook ads for clients using multiple campaigns, business accounts? Well, I've got some great Facebook ad reporting news for you that are coming around the corner. So stick until the end. Cue the intro, Oliver. You're in the lab, which means you're in the Dr. Niki show. Let's start this video with the shoutout truths. If you want to be shouted out in one of the next episodes, make sure you comment down below something that you've learned from this video or something that you've absolutely hated about it for a chance to be featured in one of the next episodes. And if you want to know if you are the shoutout winner for this episode, make sure you stay until the end. So the first article we have today is from Marketing Land, and I want you to pay close attention to what it says. Facebook rolls out ad reporting updates for cross-account custom metric measurement. I know this is complicated, but it's basically reporting updates for cross-accounts. Let me show you what that means. The new feature can benefit both enterprise and SMB advertisers. Amid the holiday campaign season, Facebook has introduced updates to its reporting tools to help advertisers better measure ad performance across accounts, channels, and devices. These updates include a new cross-account reporting feature and a custom metric building tool. The two new reporting features are designed to give advertisers more insight on cross-channel and cross-device measurement, especially crucial during the holiday season. So yeah, everyone's that doing anything marketing related is really excited for Q4. This is where the action is at. For example, for me, 24th, 25th of December, the 31st of December, I'm going to be working. The 1st of December, early morning, I will be working, and then no, I meant the 1st of January. I'll be working, and then around noon, and then I'll actually go hiking. So everyone that's doing social media marketing normally is working in December. No matter if you have freelancers or not, there's a lot of things you gotta do. You gotta see what campaigns work. You gotta be there to monitor the ads for your clients. And this is, Q4 is where things are working out. Thanksgiving was fun, right? We managed to get to offload a lot of stock, unneeded stock, and restock with new things. This is what most of my clients wanted me to help them with. But now, social media managers will spend a lot of hands-on time with their clients, but basically in front of their computers and phones. User can access these new features from the drop down in Ads Manager. So you go in Ads Manager and you have ads reporting. So what's unique about it? This new source says that a reporting dashboard can display metrics across multiple ad accounts. According to Facebook, this reporting surface serves as a one-stop shop for clear, concise report on your business performance and will allow you to save time that was previously spent manually building reports. I actually check on reports every few hours when my ads are in a testing phase. So having a one-stop shop for everything is just mind-blowing. It will save a lot of my time because I'm regularly testing 50 ad sets for a lot of clients, especially in broader niches. So here's how it looks. We have the campaign name, we have the reach, we have the custom engagement frequency. Yeah, you can customize the fields, I'm pretty sure, based on the call to action. But it's really nice to see all these changes are coming and they're making it easier for advertisers and marketing agencies to work with them. Facebook continues to escalate legal procedures over platform violations. So we'll have two more articles that are very important, and I actually wanted to share them with you guys and girls today because I think you need to know them. So the first one is from Social Media Today, and Facebook is taking legal actions against a company which used Facebook posts and ads to trick users into downloading malware in order to steal their personal information. I'm so happy. This is a step in the positive direction. For example, in a niche I work in, one of the ads, the Google ads actually, for some reason are dominated by scammers. I don't know how they managed to do it, how they managed to pull this off, but they're always on top of the keywords I'm ranking for, and they're actually scams that don't have any real product being sold and are actually only accepting cryptocurrency or non-refundable payment options, Western Union and so on. And they have, financial news that will pick up the Western Union. I don't know, it's weird. People still do it. I'm very happy that legal action is taken towards these people. It's really interesting what happened because normally these people use a VPN, fake identity and so on. I know that Facebook will probably want to make an example out of them. Explained by Facebook, the defendants deceive people into installing malware available on the internet. This malware then enabled the defendants to compromise people's Facebook. I love when the hackers that stole people's data are now the defendants. It's like they're victims now because they're gonna be sued by Facebook. Sued by Facebook. That's not fun. Facebook filing implies that I, like at Media International Company Ltd, aim to trick people into installing such malware. So if a company comes up to you and has weird practices, you don't have any ill intent, but that company has ill intent and it wants you to promote their product, stay away. You can be liable for helping run these ads. Do not do it. Third article is from Social Media Today, which says Facebook adds new measure to enforce targeting restrictions on potentially discriminatory ad types. So we actually had that a while ago in August, I think, where they actually had limited advertising options for jobs, for housing, and for credit, because people were discriminating people. For example, people would exclude African Americans or Asians from job application ads, which is discrimination, and Facebook allowed it, then they stopped it. So Facebook says, beginning tomorrow, you'll be able to search for and view all active housing opportunity ads targeted at the US that started running or were edited on after December 4th. Yeah, people had to comply. Now you have a tick box that you need to when you're creating the ad. You'll be able to search the housing ad section by name of the page running an ad and the city state which the ad is targeted. Employment and credit opportunity ads will be added to the ad library early next year. So yeah, back in 2016, investigation found that Facebook's ad targeting tools enabled advertisers to exclude Black, Hispanic, and other. Here it is. Okay, so since then Facebook has been working, but not really. I think they kind of did it this year. In examining Facebook's additional measures back in March, Washington University professor Pauline Kim told the New York Times that it's within the realm of possibility, depending on how the algorithm is constructed, that you could end up serving ads inadvertently to biased audiences. That in part is why adding these ads to the ad archive is a key step, because okay, so yeah, they're trying to work on that, and it's really interesting that we have so many news in the Facebook ads genre, because especially as I said, while we're finishing Q4 and 2019, a lot of these changes were needed and they are kind of quality of life changes, especially the reporting tools. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you just give it a like. I don't have a Patreon page. I don't ask you for money. Just make these videos for fun. This is my creative outlet, and if you watched it so far, I really want to see you on another video. So make sure you click the subscribe button. It's right down below with bell notifications on, because a video a day. I actually forgot to read out the comment winner, and I'm terribly sorry. So the shoutout winner is the one and only Anonymous, who says lovely free donut, because I said like this video for a free donut, and you know what? I'm generous. I'm feeling generous today, so I'll give him 2 donuts and a shout out. And then Shivan Yadav, and I'm very sorry if I pronounce your name wrong, who says, hello Niki, actually I want to build a personal brand on Instagram, so should I use my own content or should I use reposted content? Can I build a relationship with reposted content? Very good question, by the way. You 100% need at least 70% of your own content. You can get away with 30% of viral content. Then you can either archive or keep. This is actually what I do for my clients. We can sometimes do 5 or 10 posts a day, but then so their feed doesn't have viral content, which doesn't, you know, bring value to the feed. You just archive it after 2 or 3 days if that post didn't go to the explore page for it to wear off. So what he replies is, hey man, I want to help people in the fitness niche, so I want to know what kind of content you prefer in the fitness niche. Tell me your opinion. There were some case studies on the yes and no, you know, right and wrong way to do exercises. This is viral content in my opinion that I would watch in the fitness niche, and that is proven to work. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, I would actually suggest you look into them. There you go, the common winners. A video a day keeps a doctor away. Even though this is no financial advice and this is no medical advice, do your own due diligence. But by the end of this video, make sure you check one of these videos out.